Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Just a nice, clean, straight old car, guys. I bought this actually from a great customer of mine, really a friend, Terry out of Texas. He bought the car just a few years ago. He actually bought this car from a family who's had it for quite a long time. This is an original Tennessee car. We've got the original build sheet for it. It was in Tennessee. Then it looks like it spent some time down in Virginia. And then, of course, Terry is in Texas. So it's an original Southern car. Just a good, solid, straight, nice Monte Carlo, guys. One repaint. He said the car was actually restored 12 years ago. I'm sorry, I would say that wrong. 9 years ago. It was in 2012. It's had one repaint. This is the original color, antique white. It has all the, I believe it's got all the original body panels. I also believe it's got all the original drivetrain in it. Now, Terry said he did just rebuild the engine about a year ago, so that's fresh. Put a new Demon carb on it. And like I say, nice car. A few little things you can nitpick. You know, it's got the original, I believe it's got the original bumpers still on it. But like I say, really nice car. These Montes are tough to get. Look how nice that front grille is. The trim and stuff, which is nice on this car, is very, very hard to come by, guys. Still got the bumperettes. Again, original antique white car. It's got 69,000 miles on it. Again, there is a little paper trail for the miles. So that's right. One repaint, original color, and really hits the road good. I haven't driven it yet. Jordan has driven it a couple of times. Said it's just nice and tight. Vinyl top's in great shape. Chip there in your black paint on the around the edge. But just a good car, guys. Golly, I don't even know how many cars Terry's bought from me, and I've bought probably half a dozen cars from him over the years. But he's always got nice stuff. And he said the reason he bought this car, it was just a good, nice, straight driver. And I don't buy a lot of these cars, I'll tell you guys, because like I say, stuff like this is impossible to find, and you got to pay through the nose for it. Nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with 15-inch rallies. Boy, it's got a nice exhaust system. It's got a Borla stainless dual exhaust system. Again, you can see this original bumperette still on it. Factory 12-bolt rear end, guys. Not a big gear. I think it's a 273. The 12-bolt with rear sway bar. Really just a good looking car. These cars drive great too. Front disc brakes. Again, it is a matching numbers 350 engine. He said it was rebuilt a year ago. Brand new Demon carb. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Air conditioning. Said it works, blows cold. He did tell us to throw a can of the Freon in it, so we'll make sure that gets done too. 350 turbohydramatic trans. There. Yeah, I like this car. It's a good car. Looks like the middle original mirror, little fade to that. Again, I bet you these might be replaced. Those are pretty nice though. Original door tag. I believe this is all your original interior, guys. I don't think this has been changed. Original carpet, original sill plates. Again, it's only got 69,000 miles on it. There is a split here in the seat. You can see put a piece of tape over it. I believe that's all stock interior, guys. Headliner's nice. Factory steering wheel. Factory dash. You can see 69410. And again, there's a little paper trail with that. AM, FM 8-track. We do have an 8-track for it as well. It's got some aftermarket gauges under there. Again, real nice Borla stainless dual exhaust system in it. 12-bolt rear end. Factory jack with spare is in here. There's your original build sheet for the car. Again, this is the original owner's manual. There's some other little stuff, little paper trail stuff to it. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. If you're looking for just a good, nice, straight old driver, I think you're gonna love that car. It's just a nice car, guys. Again, bunch of new stuff coming. Make sure you're keeping track of that website. Keep track of our social media. Try to update that every day, guys. And definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. Instant notification as soon as I post something. Again, air works, it blows nice and cold. Terry said to throw a can of Freon in it, which we will. That's just a good car. Big old long hoods on these cars. Aftermarket gauges under there working, holds good oil pressure. Backup lights work. Got a good sound to it. Radio. Yep, it works. Again, we've got an 8-track in that blower motor works. Yep, we got an 8-track in the in that little thing back there in the back for it too. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by pushing the little button there at the bottom. Get an instant notification every time I post these things. Just a good car.